Well, would you look at that? A full moon. Well, not quite a full moon, but you can tell. But you can tell on the left side it's missing a little bit, but there will be a full moon this Saturday. And I'm watching a movie called The Wolfman. The Wolfman. The Wolfman. There is a full moon. There will be this. It will be this Saturday. There will be a full moon. And I'm watching The Wolfman. You know, of course, werewolves don't exist, but I've been doing it once a month for a while. I've been watching The Wolfman. But I'll talk to you guys next time. And then, see, probably still make those videos. Like I've been talking about here, I'll probably do that tomorrow. Make those videos. See ya.